March 15th, 2025, and this is going to be day 250 of consistently helping people build consistency. Hi, my name is Laksana, and I'm going to give you guys a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. But hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So how do we actually stay consistent at doing positive things? I believe one of the best way to be consistent is to remove the obstacle, okay? The biggest obstacle first. Well, I don't know about you, right? But I think one of the biggest obstacle for people why they cannot be consistent at doing stuff is because they don't really have any idea of what is the thing that they are going to be doing on the first place, okay? They only say that, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising every single day. Oh yeah, I'm going to be studying every single day. But they don't really have any plan whatsoever. This is problematic because, hey, what type of exercise that you are going to be doing? How many minutes you are going to be spending your time studying on a day-to-day basis for the minimum daily requirement? Okay, so see how this is problematic? Because how can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't really have any clear plan of what is the thing that you're going to be doing in the first place, okay? So how do we actually make things clear? It's by making it specific and also measurable. So instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying every single day, make it specific. Oh yeah, I'm going to be reading a book every single day. Oh yeah, I'm going to be playing Duolingo every single day. And then not only that we make it specific, we also make it measurable, okay? So for example, yeah, I'm going to be doing 5 minutes of reading a book on a day-to-day basis, at least. Oh yeah, I'm going to be doing 10 minutes of Duolingo on a day-to-day basis and maybe take some rest on weekends, okay? So again, not only that we make it specific, and we also make it measurable. Why is this good? Two reasons. First thing first, we kind of have this sense of clarity, and we don't really have to spend our time and mental energy on a day-to-day basis deciding what type of studying that we are going to be doing, what type of exercising that we are going to be doing, right? Because notice that we tend to spend so much time thinking about what is the thing that we are going to be doing. We end up postponing it, procrastinating it, and not doing the thing at the end of the day. We only say that, oh yeah, you know what, I'm just going to be doing it tomorrow because I don't have any time, okay? And also, the second reason why, oh wait, so it's good because when we just have a really clear plan, we don't really have to spend any time and mental energy anymore, right? It's just really clear. Okay, 5 minutes of Duolingo, 5 minutes of reading a book. But then the second reason why is this good? Why is this good? Is that because we kind of have this sense of clarity and consistency. Okay? Oh yeah, 5 minutes of Duolingo, 5 minutes of Duolingo, 5 minutes of Duolingo. And the sense of consistency is going to give us some sense of confidence. Okay? Why? Because when we say that we are going to be doing 5 minutes of Duolingo, and we actually did the 5 minutes of Duolingo, we can precisely know that we have actually fulfilled the goal that we say that we are going to be doing, okay? This is something that is cannot be achieved when we just say that, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying, okay? I mean, how much studying is enough studying, okay? We need to have a clear plan, a clear daily minimum target, right? For example, like 5 minutes of Duolingo. We don't have to start like 1 hour of like 2 hours. We, like just start small first, okay? And then we gradually move it up. And once we have this sense of, oh yeah, I've done the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing, it's going to give us the confidence, okay? Because it's proving that one, it's something that's actually realistic and achievable. But then two, not only that it's achievable and realistic, we also actually do it. We actually choose to actually do it. Because, I mean, we can just choose to be lazy and not doing it, right? But we choose it. So but we choose to do it. So it's proving to ourselves that, hey, we are actually making it, okay? But then, once we've got to day 7 and day 14, not only that we actually did the thing that we say that we are going to be doing, we also been consistently managed to actually fulfill that thing for the past 14 days, right? And then this is going to give us the confidence that, hey, I've been consistently doing this thing for the past 14 days. You know what? I'm also going to be making it on day 15th, on day 16th, on day 17th, and so on and so on. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing positive things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, join our Discord. Bye bye. And yeah, for today's date, Authenticity post March 15th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a morning cold and night cold post last 24 hours. Bye bye.